Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to minimize instead of closing the Discord with an X. So, if you have a Discord, then what you guys want to do is simply click X right here. Now, it will not close it because Discord makes it automatically minimalistic. So now it's in the background. As you guys can see, we can click on it and it will show up the way it was before. So let's close it again. Click here on an arrow, and of course we can bring this icon right here. We can click on it, and as you guys can see, we got it. So we are minimizing it instead of closing with the X, and it is like that by default. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.